Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT. In this Connect It software video, we're going to take a look at one of our newer integrations, a integration between Pegasus Opera and SalesForce.com. So just to give you a bit of background, we've got SalesForce here. It's just a default kind of trial stroke demo environment we've got. I have created one or two custom fields just for testing purposes, but we've just got the kind of very basic list of accounts, and if we look at products, we've got just a couple of products listed in the database. Looking at Pegasus Opera, again this is a very vanilla version. It's the Orion Vehicles Leasing accounts, which is the kind of trial demo evaluation set. Again, there's a few accounts listed here, and if we look at products as well, we've got a few products listed in here, all to do with cars. So looking at the integration, this does three things. Firstly, it will create customers in Pegasus Opera from details in salesforce.com. Secondly, it'll update them. When you create them, you want to append more fields than perhaps when you update, so we created a difference between the two. And thirdly, it will create products in salesforce.com from the products that I've got listed in Pegasus Opera. So I've already refreshed the screen for the create. I've got my three companies listed from the salesforce.com website. I can select all of them, I can select none of them, I can select just the one of them, and when I click the create update selected records button, that's going to go away and create the record in Pegasus Opera. So if I go to Pegasus Opera now, and it's listed first of all. If we look there, we've got that ACM 00001 account listed in Opera, which we didn't before. Going to the other side of the utility, I won't bother with the update, but if we look at the products, again, if I refresh, there's our list of products that I've got in Pegasus Opera. Select all, select none, pick and choose, and click the go button, and that's created the record in Salesforce for me. If I just F5 that, and there we go, there's our VHL 1633 product. So that's it in a nutshell. This is just phase one of a larger project. We're yet to do price book integration as well. Just to give you an idea of the flexibility of the tool, this is all held in a configuration file. There's very little hard coding of information, and we've got the Salesforce login details, so very easy to transfer it from here to another sandbox or even live environment. Details on the database structure, as I alluded to, we have got one or two custom fields denoted by the __C suffix. Similarly with Pegasus Opera, all I need to do is tell it what version I am on, what sort of database I've got, and where the files are, and that can work with any set of accounts. Details on the account structure, that's just some more login details. The interface, we can customize that, so that's referring to the columns that I see listed when I'm refreshing my customers or products or product prices when we get to phase two. Some of the more interesting stuff, which will scare most users, but it's the type of thing you only use once or only set up once and then leave it to run, are our field mappings. So we can pretty much map any field to any other field. The field mappings from Salesforce are denoted by these ampersand SF underscore fields. These are the ones without the kind of prefix. These are set in default territories and whether the account's on hold, that type of thing. Those are hard coded, and if we look at the update, those are the bits of information that we aren't updating when we do it a second time. Obviously Pegasus Opera user may have changed the account status, territory, etc., etc., etc. So we wouldn't want to go and revert that back. Similarly, with products, we've got a list of fields from the Pegasus Opera database, and this is where they're going in SalesForce. And again, placeholder for phase 2. One other thing just to point out, if we look at our options, is we do have a automatically run information transfers feature. What that means is, rather than me manually clicking and going in here refreshing the data, this application can sit on the server and run under a Windows scheduled task to update information overnight, saving you the manual intervention. I hope you found this video interesting and potentially useful. If you'd like more information on the utility and any of the other integrations that we offer, my contact details are on screen now. Please don't hesitate to give us a ring or ping me an email, and myself or one of the team will be more than happy to help.